Hi, Dennis Ray here. If you need to periodically edit PDF files or just need a good PDF viewer, you don't need to install some large program on your computer. There are a number of websites that offer free PDF editing online. Here's one of the best, Sejda.com. Let's take a look at it. This is a Sejda website. One of the nice things about using its online editor is that you do not need to create or sign into an account to use it for free. When you use it, all the documents will be deleted after 2 hours, so they will stay private. When you use the free service, you will be allowed 200 pages or 50 megabytes of data and 3 tasks per hour. And that's plenty for home use. To edit a document, start by uploading your form. I uploaded this form from everyone's favorite U.S. government agency, the IRS. It's a fillable form, so Sejda allows you to type in whatever you need to in the spots that you need to fill in. On the side, you can delete the page, zoom in, zoom out, or rotate the page. On the top, you can use this to make any changes to text in anywhere in the form. Say if I want to make a change like here, complete it, get rid of this, and then I can bold, italicize, change the font size, change the font, change color, create a link, or delete the text. Then there's links, forms, where I can do any of these actions. For instance, if I want to add a X anywhere on the form, you can do that. Then there's images. You can upload an image. Sign, where you can make a signature with any of these and edit wherever you want it on the document. Or you can make your own signature and then upload it. White out. And what this does is you can cover up any part of the document with a blank area, like that top there, like this. Herding the cattle is done. I'm going to town, kiss a girl, and wrestle a bear.
Don't get them mixed up this time.
If you know what's good for you, Pilgrim, you'll like and subscribe, because these videos are good for you. In Annotate, we have these actions that you can do. Now let's highlight part of the document. There, that's nice. Shapes, we can add any of these shapes to the document. Like I'll add a rectangle. Okay. Under More, there is Find and Replace. Say if I wanted to find claim and replace it with claims. Okay, there's claim, replace, and there's claims. All right, and if I wanted to replace all claim with claims in the document, I would hit that. And then there's Undo, which gives a list of all the actions I've completed. If I want to undo any of those, I would select it there and hit Revert Selected. When you've made the changes you want, you can go to Apply Changes, and it will go ahead and save them. and you can go ahead and download it. Or I should mention too, you can, besides downloading it, save as, save to Dropbox, save to OneDrive, or save to Google Drive. Also, then you have all these other actions that you can do with your form, and just a number of different things that you can do on Sejda. Or you go to the home page and you see all these different tabs that you can use to go ahead and make changes to your PDF form. So it's really a nice site to be able to do some different editing to your PDF forms. That was Sejda.com, a great online PDF editor. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.